Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint easy drawing of festival on oil pastel. Let's start. At first we draw a rectangle at the middle of the page. I join with curved line at both sides. Now I erase the lines. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Now I draw the zigzag line from this point to this point. Having finished the drawing, then I apply the colors on Dholok. So at first I choose the yellow ochre. Dark brown. Light brown, gray color, glass marking, our Dholok is ready. Let's playing and make fun. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.